Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on invisible mode on Muzz. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Muzz app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Muzz account. Now on your screen, you can see options like Marries, Explore, Chat and Menu. Go to Menu, then on the top of your screen you can see your name, and right below it there's a View Profile option. Tap on it. Then you're gonna get a prompt at the end of the screen saying Invisible Mode. Only show my profile to the people I've liked. Well, turn that on. Then you have to select it, Enable Invisible Mode. Once you do that, you have to know that you have to be an gold member on Muzz app. You just have to tap on subscribe and pay for the gold membership. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn on invisible mode on Muzz. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.